Here is another method for lacing boots called the heel lock method. What it does is to hold the heel back to prevent or reduce slipping and the possible blisters that can ensue. It's quite popular in walking boots. So pass the lace through like this, ensuring that it's of equal length, and then start to crisscross the lace like this. At this point, we then use something called the surgeon's knot. So put the lace over one another like this, and then pull together snugly. Then pass the lace through the top eyelet on the same side, like this, and then begin to crisscross back down to meet the position where you applied the surgeon's knot. Tightening as you go. Finally, the lace emerges here. What you can then do is to tie the boot firmly like this, and as you will see, the effect is to hold the foot back into the heel very firmly indeed to reduce any slipping.